Okay, so here is my finished piece. I wasn't able to record myself while carving because I was really busy. This is it. It is a shark swimming along some coral with some seaweed. Looks really nice. I was able to get a log oil finish on it. Sea hunt. Finished. I'm pretty proud of it. This is my first competition I've ever done. I like
Is coming through. Be careful. He's going to have to drop a load and then come right back. So he's going to back out of here. Don't get around the forklift. Definitely do not get behind him. Come on in. That ice sculpture is going on right now. Ice sculpturing is going on right now. If you've never seen it, come have a look. numbers have arrived. The bid numbers have arrived, so come on up, get in line, and the bid numbers are here right now. If you plan to buy something in the auction, you want to get in right now. Is going to be backing out. Watch out behind you, ladies and gentlemen. The forklift is on his way out of here. He's going to go bring another load in. The forklift is moving right now. Watch out. People's Choice. Cut off for People's Choice is in 10 minutes. Final time to put in for People's Choice. Do that at the sound booth or at the front gate.
Well, here we go. I got third place in the chainsaw carving, and then I got first on 2 of the quick carve days, and second on another one of them. So yeah, not too shabby, if I say so myself. I'm leaving it down here. It is for sale.
Yes, for sure. You stepped